Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make this cute and adorable Valentine's Day house using some doll houses from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. For this project, we're going to use two of the doll houses from the Dollar Tree. You can find them in the toy section. And what we're going to do is we're going to join them together. So I'm going to start by removing the roof from one of the houses, and I'm going to attach it to the bottom portion of the other house. I'm going to attach this just by using some hot glue, and it will hold very well. So I'm going to add hot glue to all of the edges and attach the top part to this bottom part. So let's continue with this. Now that I attached both houses, I'm going to take some Rust-Oleum white paint and give the house 2 coats of paint, letting 1 coat dry in between. Next, I'm going to take the multi-surface pink paint by Folk Art. You can find it on Plaid online. And I'm going to do all of the details of the house in this pink. Yes, the house was pink before, but I really didn't like that shade. And I didn't want everything to be pink. So I'm only going to do small details to give it a little pop against the white. So let's finish. So now that my pink details are done, I'm going to take these pearl beads and I'm going to use them to decorate the roof of the house. These are from the Dollar Tree. You can find them in the Crafter Square section. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them with hot glue in order for them to be secure. They do have the sticky back, but I'm pretty sure that's going to fall apart. So I'm going to adhere them with a little bit of hot glue. So let's continue. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take these stickers. They're also from the Dollar Tree. They're in the Valentine's Day sections, and I'm going to use a few of them to add them as details to the windows. And again, these are stickers, but the sticky side is really not that strong enough. So I'm going to put a little dot of hot glue in order for them not to fall off. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the center of the doors and of the windows just to give it a little extra detail. Now that that is done, I'm going to take some very fine glitter and Mod Podge and just do the outlines of the doors and a little bit on the roof itself. Not the whole house, just a little bit in order to give it a little sparkle. So let's do this part. Now that my glitter is dry, I'm going to take these glitter hearts. They're from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to take 3 of them and I'm going to attach them to the border of this top window on the little house to give it a little extra Valentine's Day touch. Once this is done, this house will be ready to display. So let's finish. So now this project is done and I really love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.